If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but you didn't know where to begin, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Rob and this is my YouTube channel. As of filming this, it's July 2025 and I have 0 subscribers, 0 videos and 0 views, but that is all about to change. You see, I'm starting from scratch and I want you to come along with me for the journey. I'll show you that anybody can have a successful YouTube channel with step-by-step guides. I'll show you how to set up your channel with optimal settings so you're good to go from day one, the very basic equipment you'll need to get started, how to get views and subscribers with little experience, and I'll also show you how to create thumbnails and titles and content that will really connect with your viewers. Plus, I'll be sharing real-time lessons as I grow this channel, with the highs and the lows, the wins and the losses, and a little bit behind the scenes. So, if you're serious about starting your YouTube journey, or you just want to know how it's done, then hit subscribe and let's do this together. Hit the bell notification button, drop a like, and say hi in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let's build this together.